What's up? We are back this Wednesday with BTSS randomness.
Yeah.
But this is the sign of randomness.
Oh, so this is it.
Yeah, I'm not confused or anything. It's just randomness.
Weesh.
The joke is over.
So what is the random video about?
The random video is called The Stories Behind Our Scars.
So why don't you start with
And just to clarify, not our emotional scars,
yeah.
our physical scars.
Why don't you start since you have the worst one? Right here.
Yeah, I have a real bad one right here.
Yeah, and we're gonna put like close-ups of all these so you can see them.
Yeah,
I mean, Webber doesn't need a close-up.
it's like
It's
screaming. Like,
like-
I'm here, hello, well, I'm a scar, I'm sitting on a forehead.
And how did you get it?
So the story is like this. When I was about 8 or 9, I was really into this game called Commando, where I would not go commando, but where I would play the game called Commando. I would come back home, empty my backpack with the books, and put all my plastic guns into it, and get a couple of my friends, and we'd all like act like commandos on a mission. And there was this 10 or 11 feet high grill in my house.
In your house?
Yeah, like on the ground floor.
Like a gate?
Yeah, like a gate. So we'd climb on top of that and then start jumping from there, pretending like we're on a mission and like we're saving the world.
Right.
It's like we were passionate about it.
Right.
So one day, as I was jumping and I was wearing my shorts, because obviously commandos wear shorts.
I've never seen a commando in shorts, but okay.
You really haven't?
No. Continue, please continue.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, so I was wearing my shorts, and one of those, it was one of those days where my shorts were a little loose.
So your shorts fell off?
You wish, you cheap little thing. You wish. No, they were loose and they got stuck in one of those hooks of the grill, and it sort of tipped me off balance, and I landed badly, and I hit my head on the floor, and there was like blood all over, like literally all over. And everybody panicked.
And then you stitched yourself up because that's what it looks like.
So yeah, of course, I took out my kit and I stitched myself up, and put some like alcohol on it, and I was good to go. I was back on the mission.
So like seriously, who did this?
I know. I think my mother panicked a bit too much, so she took me to like any random doctor who just did a random job, and that's why I have a horrible scar which is right there. I'm used to it now. I've grown to like it.
To love it.
In fact, some girls have told me that it
Oh.
looks a little macho.
Sure.
You are not that girl.
Yeah, clearly.
Okay, Sherry, show us your scars.
Okay, so the first one is kind of like yours. I don't know if it's this side or this
Kind of
side.
like mine.
Yeah, I mean it's a lady-like small scar. It's here.
It's
I
a
think.
dot.
Isn't it here?
It's a little dot.
Isn't it here?
I can't even
It's
see
like
it.
a bit of a bump. Like,
Yeah, it's
really
right
small.
here and it's like this one.
Yeah, yeah. So I was also playing a game. You're not the only one that plays games.
Which game?
It was called Sea Sand Waterland. I don't know if you guys know it because I
Is it
don't
on an
think
app?
it's on an app or an iPad or an
Can
iPhone.
we play it on my iPhone?
I don't think so. It's not the virtual kind.
So then nobody knows about
It's a physical game
Nobody knows about it.
where you have stairs and each like stair is a different thing like sea, sand, water or
Oh,
land,
okay.
and then the den screams land and everybody jumps onto land and everyone's like so that's how it
okay.
works. And at one point when they screamed whatever and I got really excited because the top step and there was a wall there, so I went straight head first into the wall and
But
then
you,
I got
oh,
this.
so you thought you were jumping into the sea and
Yeah,
you
I was
landed.
actually landing to a
It was a
wall.
land.
And yeah, there was like blood everywhere, like you.
Oh yeah, from this
Everywhere.
little dot, there was like blood everywhere. Like it was like, oh my god.
Everywhere.
Yeah, oh my
And,
God.
so I went to the doctor and like they said I did need stitches.
They meaning like a team of doctors.
Yes,
were
a
there.
team of
Oh my
doctors.
god, it was so serious. It was like, oh my god, call all the specialists. It's an emergency.
Are you jealous?
Why? Because you have a smaller scar?
Yeah, because
Yes.
I clearly went to professional.
Kinda.
And yeah, I've never really had stitches ever. So yeah.
Oh wow, how lucky.
Lucky me. So yeah, that's the first scar.
Alright, so talking about small insignificant scars, I'll show you one myself.
Yeah.
Right here, it's usually covered with my beard.
Yeah, you can't really see it.
Yeah. So this one, I am actually a little hazy about the story behind it, but I do recall that
How old were you?
I was
Was
young.
this after or before Commando?
No, I think this was before or after. I don't know. I think so. It wasn't that big a deal. I think there was a gate. The main gate was a little like shorter in height than me. So somebody banged it close and it sort of hit my face.
So they just like rammed the gate on.
Yeah, maybe I was supposed to like block
Stop
it, but I blocked it with my chin. It was like
Not a very smart kid.
whatever. I was probably playing Commando.
And
I was
like,
being,
I can break you
Yeah.
gate with my
break
face.
me, try to break me, and then I broke my jaw. Obviously, because there's such a huge scar here.
But this time you went to a proper doctor?
No,
'Cause
I
it's
didn't need.
not.
No, I don't think I needed a doctor. I think in my house only something was done. It's fine.
Okay, so my second one is here, like on my lip. Again, it's really small and not major this time. So I kind of,
Sure. Yeah,
like, I
just a
kind
little
of cut my lip open, basically.
bit. And it opened. Like,
Yeah, I was like, so
there was like a.
so
Did you like close the door? Like.
So, on my balcony, the same high chairs that we have, like we've had them for years, and my mom used to sit on the high chairs. And when we were really small, we were not allowed to sit alone, obviously, because they were scared we might fall off the balcony, and we used to sit on their laps. So I was sitting on my mom's lap, and I don't know, I wanted something, or I was being a brat basically, and I was like, moving around like how you are when you're a bratty child, and you're like, no. And
Pushed
no. She
Hut.
was like, get,
Like,
and I wanted to get down or not get down or something like that. And then I was like moving around so frantically that I hit
can you
my
like?
lip on the armrest or whatever, and then my lip like got cut. So.
Cut open, like. And was there like a fountain of blood?
Of course, as always.
Like, ew.
And then I swam in the pool.
You shattered. Alright, so next up is the story of my 2 scars on both sides of my nose.
Oh yeah.
So I met with an accident when I was about 18, where I was a pillion rider and my friend Rajiv was riding the scooter or the bike, and he was wearing a helmet and I wasn't. And suddenly somebody came from the side and he hit us on this side, and my nose, like
Oh,
my
so you ran into
yeah,
his helmet.
his helmet, and I broke my nose here and I broke my nose here. So I needed an operation to set it
But
straight.
you didn't do it.
I didn't do it for a long time, but then after a point I had to do it, and then I got it done.
Yeah, when we were dating, you had.
Yeah, and then I had to do it, and that left.
Like he actually had like his bone was here, like.
Yeah,
like
it was crooked. It was like
yeah.
properly crooked. So I had to get an operation done, and there were 2 scars. There's still 2 scars here, which nobody can see that much.
Yeah, but they're really
But
minor.
they're there. But it was quite
Traumatic.
traumatic.
Yeah, when Dev came out, he was like, "Have you seen The Matrix? I'm Neo."
I was like under like anesthesia. So that was not bad actually. I said,
That's
"Have you
good.
seen The Matrix?"
Yeah.
She was like, yeah.
And then I was in college and I was missing class to be with him, and he kept saying, "Go to college, go to college." And I was like, "My
I
college
have
is
to
over.
study."
My college is over."
You have to study. See, I mean, I'm such a good guy.
Okay, so the last one is like here on my thigh. You can't see it. I'm gonna put it in close up.
No, let's try. Let's show them.
I don't think
It's like right here. It's right
I'm
here.
gonna fall backward. And it's the biggest one. So yeah.
Biggest for you. By her
For me,
standard, it's the
for me.
biggest. Yeah.
But basically we were having a party in my house, and I was carrying like a lot of like at that time Pepsi, Coke and soda and all used to come in glass bottles. We didn't have these plastic bottles. And I was trying to carry like 5 or 6 bottles to put them into the fridge from the crates, and that was really stupid because I was supposed to take only 2. So I had all of them like this, and then I dropped them.
Like glass bottle.
Yeah, glass bottles, and because of the gas, obviously the glass was flying everywhere, and one piece of glass actually flew and got stuck into like this thigh in the back. And I didn't want to tell my parents because they'd be like, "How many bottles are you holding?" So I yanked the glass out myself, and I went back into the party, and then people started noticing blood rolling down my leg.
Is that the color of your
And-
dress, or is
and-
that blood?
And my parents were like, "What happened?" And then I was like, "Oh, so sorry." And yeah, then I put a band-aid on it, and it was fine. Didn't need stitches again.
But I want to
so-
know, was there blood all over?
all over my
All
leg, like,
over.
all over.
You got hit here.
But it was like here.
It was like all over. It was like all over.
Yeah, like it's fountain out of here, and like
So it's like So those were some of the stories about our scars.
They were a little exaggerated. Just a
Little, there was just like little blood all over. Like blood was all over the place. Like there's blood like all over this place. If you could be here right now, you'd see blood all over the place.
Okay.
It's scary.
Also, if you guys have any interesting stories behind your scars, please leave them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you as well.
And we will see you next Wednesday.
Bye.
Bye. So I was a commando. I just took out my kit and I just stitched it up. Tell us about
Wait,
yours.
I'm wiping my sweat and you're like...
Yeah,
I went to the doctor, but I didn't need stitches.
Stitches you didn't need, but the doctor she needed.
Stop it.
Yeah. Okay. Were you like actually gonna?
Yeah, because this
Yeah.
is a t-shirt.
Go.